Friends, I am Ponnala Krishnamurthy, Abhinav Tuition Center, New Boinpalli, Secunderabad. This is from 10th class trigonometry. Evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. That is equal to 1 into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta plus tan theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. Now we have to remove the brackets. 1 into this one is as it is. So 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta plus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta into cot theta plus tan theta cot theta plus tan theta into minus cosec theta minus tan theta cosec theta plus secant theta into 1 plus secant theta plus secant theta into cot theta plus secant theta cot theta plus secant theta into minus cosec theta minus secant theta cosec theta. Here we have 1 plus cot theta is nothing but cos theta by sin theta. So we write cos theta by sin theta in place of cot theta minus cosec theta plus tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So in place of tan theta, sin theta by cos theta plus tan theta into cot theta is 1. So we write 1 in place of tan theta cot theta minus this is tan theta becomes sin theta by cos theta. This is cosec theta becomes 1 by sin theta plus secant theta plus secant theta becomes 1 by cos theta into cot theta becomes cos theta by sin theta minus secant theta is 1 by cos theta into cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. That is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 plus cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta cancel. This is 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta is secant theta plus secant theta. Here we have plus secant theta plus cos theta cancel. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta minus 1 into 1 by cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta. Now we have 2 cos theta sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1. So this is 1 minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. Cos theta sin theta cancel. That is equal to 2. Answer. Let us see one more sum. Evaluate sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. This is here. We have a formula a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. So that is equal to 2 into a square is sin square theta plus b square is cos square theta. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 2 into 1 that is equal to 2. Answer. Let us see one more sum here. Evaluate secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. This is here. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So we write tan square theta in place of this. Cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So we write cot square theta in place of this. Now this is in the form of a power m into b power m. That is equal to ab whole power m. Since the powers are same and into is there, we can write only one bracket ab and only one power m. Now this becomes tan theta into cot theta whole square. Tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So this is 1 whole square, that is equal to 1. Answer.